This is Rose and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share to you my empanada recipe. For the dough ingredients, for the filling, so let us start with the dough. 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of salt, and you mix it well. 40 grams of cold butter. Using your clean hands, mix until the flour resembles breadcrumbs. Put the egg and mix. 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 6 tablespoons of cold water. Mix it well. Bring the dough together to form a ball. Wrap in cling film and place in the fridge for 3 hours. And now, let's prepare for the chicken filling. 3 pieces of carrots, peel and dice. Peel 2 potatoes and dice. Dice onion and minced garlic. 400 grams of minced chicken. Heat the oil in the cooking pot. Sauté onion and garlic until golden brown. And now add the chicken meat. Add the soy sauce, stir, and simmer for at least 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, put the diced carrots and potatoes. Put the seasoning, black pepper, soy sauce, oyster sauce, and cornstarch. Wait until it is cooked and tender. And now, this is ready. Set aside and let it cool. We will now make our empanada. Dust some flour in a flat surface. Divide the dough into 10 pieces. Form a small ball and roll it in the dusted flour. Roll to 1/8 inch thick. Cut into round shape. And now, put the chicken fillings, at least 1 to 2 tablespoons. And some raisins. Fold it to close. You sealed it by folding the edges. In a deep fryer, heat the oil. Once the oil is hot, put the empanada. Fry the empanada until golden brown. this is my chicken empanada. Like, share, and subscribe my channel. Hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.